Oh, all right. Listen, I'm not qualified to teach you any of the things I'm about to tell you, but I've picked up some things along the way that you might want to know about. Come on. All right, gang. Now, this is a rare opportunity. There's not many of these puppies left in the world, but you're lucky. Today we've got one. They're called Whispering Ferns. Now, let's just take a listen, and you'll find exactly what I'm about to say amazing.
Hitler was Time Magazine's Person of the Year.
Well, there you have it. Whispering Ferns. Amazing. All right, catch up next time on Nature.